Looking for the perfect tool to measure angles with precision and ease? Whether you're in construction, metalwork, or home improvement, we've got just what you need. Here are the top 5 best digital angle meters you should check out in 2025. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Shahe 90C Digital Angle Meter. The Shahe 90C Digital Angle Meter is a precise and user-friendly tool designed to simplify angle measurements in various applications. Its built-in magnetic base allows for secure attachment to iron surfaces, providing enhanced stability and accuracy during use. This feature is especially useful for professionals working with metal structures or machinery where firm placement is essential. Equipped with a clear digital LCD display, the Shahe 90C ensures that users can easily read both relative and absolute measurements without strain or confusion. The screen provides clear, concise data, which helps in achieving precise results quickly and efficiently. One of the standout features of this angle meter is its data hold function. This function enables users to lock measurements on the screen, preventing accidental changes or loss of data while handling or recording results. This is particularly beneficial when measurements need to be noted down or compared over time. Energy efficiency is also a priority with the Shahe 90C. It includes an auto power off feature that activates after 3 minutes of inactivity, helping to conserve battery life and ensure the device is ready when needed without unnecessary power drain. Despite its advanced functionality, the device remains compact and lightweight, weighing only 80 grams. Its portable design means it can easily fit into toolboxes, pockets, or bags, making it a convenient companion for professionals, hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Overall, the Shahe 90C Digital Angle Meter combines practical features with thoughtful design to offer a reliable solution for accurate angle measurement in a variety of settings. Coming in at number 4, the GVDA GD450M Digital Angle Meter. The GVDA GD450M Digital Angle Meter is a precise and versatile tool designed for accurate angle measurement in a wide range of applications. Equipped with a high-precision resolution of 0.05 degrees, it offers professional-level accuracy that meets the needs of demanding tasks, whether in construction, engineering, or woodworking. One of the standout features of the GD450M is its wide measuring range, which covers a full 360 degrees with a 4 by 90 degree measurement capability. This allows users to handle diverse leveling and angle measurement jobs with confidence and ease. The device supports multiple measurement units, including degrees, percentages, millimeters per meter, and inches per foot, offering great flexibility to suit different project requirements and user preferences. The meter also features a convenient hold function which locks the current reading on the display, making it easier to record or transfer measurements without losing accuracy. Additionally, the 0-degree calibration function ensures that the tool can be reset and calibrated quickly, enhancing measurement reliability. Built for practicality and ease of use, the GVDA GD450M includes a strong magnetic base and a V-groove. These features allow secure attachment to iron surfaces and round objects, such as pipes, making the meter extremely stable during measurement and reducing the risk of errors caused by slipping or movement. Overall, the GVDA GD450M Digital Angle Meter combines precision, versatility, and user-friendly design, making it an essential instrument for professionals who require accurate angle measurements in their work. Its range of features and robust build quality provide a reliable solution for various measurement challenges across different industries. At number 3, we have the Noyafa NF-566S Digital Angle Meter. The Noyafa NF-566S digital angle meter is a versatile and precise tool designed for professionals and hobbyists who require accurate angle and slope measurements. It offers 4 times 90-degree measurement capabilities, allowing users to measure angles with ease and flexibility. The device features a screen that automatically flips, ensuring easy readability of data regardless of orientation. One of the standout features of the NF-566S is its ability to switch between 4 measurement units with just a single click: angle, slope, metric slope, and imperial slope. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from construction and carpentry to engineering and DIY projects. The angle meter boasts an impressive measurement accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 degrees and a high display resolution of plus or minus 0.05 degrees, providing users with reliable and detailed readings. It supports a relative mode switch and includes strong magnets on 5 sides, which facilitates secure attachment to magnetic surfaces for hands-free operation. Additionally, the device is equipped with bilateral horizontal laser marking and built-in bilateral ground lasers. These lasers project a clear line onto surfaces parallel to the back of the instrument, enhancing alignment and measurement precision. The sturdy aluminum frame not only offers durability but also houses these powerful magnets, adding to the tool's practicality. User-friendly functions such as data locking via the Hold button and relative value mode through the Ref button enhance the user experience by simplifying measurements and data handling. The NF-566S is powered by 2 AA batteries and features an automatic power-off function after 5 minutes of inactivity, contributing to energy efficiency. Its backlight function ensures visibility in low light conditions, making it a reliable companion in diverse working environments. Overall, the Noyafa NF-566S digital angle meter combines precision, functionality, and durability, making it an essential instrument for accurate angle measurement tasks. Next up at number 2 is the Aideepen DXL360 digital angle meter. The Aideepen DXL360 digital angle meter is a highly precise and versatile tool designed for accurate angle measurement in various professional and industrial applications. Available in 2 models, the DXL360S and the DXL360, the device offers exceptional precision with a resolution of 0.01 degrees for the DXL360S and 0.02 degrees for the DXL360, ensuring highly accurate results. This digital angle meter supports measurement on both single and double axes, allowing users to capture tilt angles effectively. Its large LCD screen enhances visibility, making it easy to read measurements clearly even in challenging work environments. The device features a convenient V-shaped groove design, which facilitates measurement on pipes and corners, enhancing usability in practical scenarios. Powered by a rechargeable lithium battery and supporting USB charging, the DXL360 offers efficient and sustainable operation. Additionally, it incorporates a strong built-in magnet, enabling the meter to securely attach to iron surfaces, providing hands-free operation over extended periods. The instrument is equipped with an audible alarm that can be set within a specific angle range, which helps users verify product alignment and measurement accuracy quickly. It supports both absolute and relative angle measurements and offers the ability to recalculate from the initial measurement angle, adding flexibility to complex tasks. One of its standout features is the self-calibration function, which simplifies the calibration process and prevents errors related to directional calibration. This ensures consistent precision and reduces user error during setup. The device also includes a unique feature that converts length and size units, translating the tilt error of a 1-meter object directly into millimeter readings, a useful function for dimensional accuracy checks. For enhanced data management, the Aideepen DXL360 supports external data transmission via SVRS-232 computer adapters or SVBT wireless adapters, making it easy to integrate with other digital systems or software. Exclusive to the DXL360S model is the capability to measure the angle between any two objects using its gyroscope function, broadening the range of applications where precise angular measurements are critical. Overall, the Aideepen DXL360 digital angle meter combines precision, versatility, and practical features designed to meet the demands of professionals needing reliable and accurate angular measurements in various fields. Finally, at number 1, we have the UNI-T LM320A digital angle meter. The UNI-T LM320A digital angle meter is a versatile and precise tool designed to meet various measurement needs with ease and accuracy. Offering both relative and absolute measurement modes, this device provides users the flexibility to measure angles based on a fixed reference or in relation to the current position, making it suitable for a wide range of applications in engineering, construction, and DIY projects. One of the standout features of the LM320A is its capability to perform 360-degree comprehensive measurements. This allows for full rotational angle detection, ensuring no limitations when measuring complex or large-scale objects. Whether you need to measure inclines, slopes, or precise angular positions, this meter covers it all. The device includes a data hold function that lets users freeze the displayed measurement at any given moment. This feature is especially helpful when working in tight spaces or when it's difficult to view the screen continuously during measurement. The display itself is designed with practicality in mind, featuring a reverse display screen with a backlight to ensure clear readability in various lighting conditions, from bright daylight to dim indoor environments. Portability is another key aspect of the UNI-T LM320A. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry around and handle, which is essential for professionals and hobbyists who need a reliable measuring tool on the go. Additionally, the meter features a unique laser design that enhances targeting accuracy and speeds up the alignment process. A magnetic base at the bottom of the device allows for stable attachment to metal surfaces, providing hands-free operation and increased precision during measurements. This feature is particularly useful when working on machinery or metal frameworks. Powering the LM320A is a rechargeable 3.7V lithium battery, combining convenience with sustainability. Users can easily recharge the battery without needing constant replacements, making it both cost-effective and environmentally friendly.